Hello guys, welcome to part 10 of SQL tutorials. Today's topic is functions in SQL. Functions that are defined by the system are known as system function. In other words, all the built-in functions supported by the server are referred to as system functions. The built-in function save us time while performing the specific task. In this video, we will study aggregate function. Count, max, minimum, sum, average. We will consider this table in our examples. Minimum function. The minimum function returns the smallest value of the selected column. As you can see the syntax, the minimum function is used in the select statement. Select minimum age as small age from customer. This SQL query will find the smallest age from the age column of the customer table. Smallest age is the column name in which result is shown. Smallest age is the customized column name. Max function. Max function returns the largest value of the selected column. As you can see, the max function is used in select statement. Same, select max age as large age from customer. This SQL query will find the largest age from the age column of the customer table. Largest age is the column name in which result is shown. Count function. The count function is used to count the number of rows returned in a select statement. Same count function is used in the select statement as you can see in the syntax. Example, select count ID from customer. This SQL query will count ID from the customer table. The result is 7. Average function. The average function returns the average value of a numeric column. Only average function can be used only in the numeric column. Average function is used in the select statement as you can see in the syntax. Example, select average salary from customer. This SQL query will find the average of salary from the customer table. Result of the query is 5000. Sum function. The sum function returns the total sum of a numeric column. This, as we can see, this function will only run on the numeric column, and sum function is used in the select statement as you can see in the syntax. Example, select sum age from customer. The SQL query will find the sum of age from the customer table. Result of the query is 204. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, kindly like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.